Google now lets political campaigns in the US to reach Gmail users directly. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Through a new Gmail Verified Sender program, Google says political committees will be able to escape the company's spam filter and send their campaign emails from a verified domain and manage to have their messages marked as spam less than 0.3% of the time. The Gmail Verified Sender program will launch on September 8th, offering political committees much time to flood people with fundraising messages ahead of the 2026 midterm elections in the US. While the program likely spells doom for anyone committed to Inbox Zero, Google characterizes it as a win-win for campaigns and Gmail users. Google said that this program is designed to connect people with the emails they want to receive while keeping them fully in control of their inboxes. To participate, bulk senders must meet strict security and compliance requirements, ensuring that messages people receive are relevant, useful, and verified. Google also noted users will have control to filter out emails even after the program starts. Gmail users can mark the messages as spam, block a specific sender, and unsubscribe for any unwanted lists. Google has maintained a strained relationship with the Republican National Committee for years because of the party's belief that Google was deliberately censoring its emails. Google first proposed a way for political campaigns to get around spam filters in 2022 in response to a Federal Election Commission complaint from the RNC. The party sued Google over claims Gmail's spam filter discriminated against Republicans, though the case was dismissed in 2024, but Google's once again trying to offer a way around its spam filter. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.